Welcome to Alaska, the last frontier, where nature's raw beauty and rugged climate have shaped a unique approach to interior design. This video is part of our American Interior Design series, where we explore how regional styles across the United States are influenced by their local landscapes, cultures, and lifestyles. Here in Alaska, homes are cozy yet functional, perfectly suited for the harsh winters and breathtaking scenery. Today, we'll take you on a journey through three iconic Alaskan interior design styles: rustic, cabin, and northern. Each offers a distinct blend of natural materials, traditional craftsmanship, and modern touches, reflecting Alaska's wilderness and cultural heritage. So, let's dive into the essence of these timeless styles and explore how they embrace Alaska's natural beauty. Let's start with rustic style, an aesthetic that brings the outdoors in, reflecting the rugged charm of the Alaskan wilderness. This style centers on organic materials like wood and stone, creating homes that are warm and inviting, perfect for Alaska's long, chilly winters. Picture walking into a cabin where the walls are made of rich timber, the ceiling beams are exposed, and the heart of the room is a stone fireplace crackling with warmth. The textures here speak of nature's handiwork: solid wooden furniture, leather armchairs draped with fir throws, and earthy tones of browns, greens, and greys throughout the space. It's all about bringing the wilderness inside while maintaining a cozy, lived-in feel. In Alaskan homes, large windows frame the dramatic views, whether it's a mountain range dusted with snow or a dense forest stretching into the distance. These windows let in the natural light, making even the darkest winters feel brighter. Rustic design in Alaska is as practical as it is beautiful. It prioritizes warmth and comfort, with natural stone countertops and fireplaces, sturdy wood finishes, and earthy textiles that add a tactile depth to the space. These elements combine to create a home that feels connected to the rugged, unspoiled beauty of the outdoors. Now, let's take a closer look at cabin style. Cabin interiors reflect the practicality and simplicity of living off the grid in remote Alaskan areas. These homes are often small, but they make efficient use of space. Imagine walking into a cabin where everything has a purpose: compact, cozy, yet full of charm. Wood dominates the cabin's aesthetic, with log walls, handcrafted furniture, and built-in storage that maximizes every inch of space. The furniture is sturdy and made to last. Pieces like wooden rocking chairs, built-in bunk beds, and weathered kitchen tables all contribute to the rustic, homey atmosphere. In a typical Alaskan cabin, there's likely to be a wood-burning stove providing heat, and the scent of burning logs fills the air. Functional, compact kitchens are the heart of these homes, with vintage appliances and open shelving that adds both storage and style. What sets cabin style apart is the cozy, lived-in feeling. Wool blankets, flannel throws, and plaid patterns give the space a welcoming vibe. The color palette is dominated by neutral tones, but small bursts of color, perhaps in a knitted throw or a set of antique mugs, add personality and warmth. Finally, we turn to northern style, which brings a sleek, minimalist touch to Alaskan interiors. Inspired by Scandinavian design, northern style focuses on clean lines, functional spaces, and a serene atmosphere. Homes in this style feature open layouts, large windows that welcome in natural light, and an emphasis on neutral tones, whites, greys, and natural woods that mirror the stark beauty of Alaska's snowy landscapes. This design is perfect for creating a sense of calm and spaciousness, even in the long, dark winter months. Northern interiors often include simple, modern furniture. Picture a living room with floor-to-ceiling windows that frame a view of the northern lights, with a soft woolen rug on the floor, and a sleek, minimalist fireplace keeping the space warm. It's all about balance, mixing cozy textiles like fir throws with polished surfaces and clean forms. Natural materials still play a huge role in northern design, but they're used in more modern ways. For example, light-coloured wooden floors, smooth stone countertops, and subtle accents of metal or glass keep the space feeling fresh and contemporary, while maintaining a strong connection to the outdoors. Alaska's interior design styles, rustic, cabin, and northern, beautifully capture the spirit of this rugged, awe-inspiring state. Whether it's the earthy, handcrafted feel of rustic style, the cozy practicality of cabin interiors, or the sleek elegance of northern design, each style has its own way of reflecting the natural beauty and unique culture of Alaska. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Alaska's interior design. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the rich, diverse design styles from across the United States. Until next time, stay inspired and keep discovering the beauty of design.